I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the inbox that receives the most newsletters. Search for unsubscribe and manage preferences to surface subscription emails quickly. Once done, sort or filter by sender so you can batch similar newsletters. This speeds cancellation and prevents missing recurring items. Make sure to note any subscriptions tied to accounts that require you to log in before canceling. You'll need credentials. Now, pick the top 5-10 recurring senders to cancel first to reduce clutter fast. You now perform the actual cancellations. Click each email's unsubscribe link and complete any confirmation steps. This is often 2 clicks. For services tied to an account, log in, go to Billing, Subscriptions, or Email Settings, and choose Cancel or Turn off emails. This prevents resubscription from the account. If an unsubscribe link is missing or ineffective, create a filter or rule in your email client to move future mail to archive or trash. Make sure to record which accounts required logins for follow-up. You finish by confirming cancellations. Watch for confirmation emails and expect up to 7 days for all messages to stop. Patience matters because some systems batch updates. If mail continues after a week, mark the sender as spam, block the address, and contact the service's support to request removal. Make sure to keep a short list of the accounts you closed and any relevant screenshots for 30 days in case you need proof. Troubleshooting tip: if a sender resends, escalate to support and provide your unsubscribe confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.